Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to block any ads from third-party applications when you are using our Android phone. Okay, the first step is always press, so go to your setting, so open your phone and go to setting, and then scroll down and go to Google. Okay, so click in Google. So one is you open Google, you click on Google, the Google service pop up on the screen, and one is you see Google service on your screen. You have to click on all services, and then after scroll down and go to add. Okay, so privacy and security, go to add. So one is you see ads here. The first thing what you have to do is add privacy, so customize info apps, okay, used to show you ads. Okay, so click on that and make it off. So add topics all off. Okay, back again, suggested app again off. All right, so then go back and again also go back here and come to here and delete advertising ad. So these apps cannot longer use advertising ads to show you a personalized ads. Okay, so click on delete advertising ad. So this deletes your current advertising ad. Apps can still show you ads, but they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. Okay, so apps use the device advertising ad to show you personalized ads. So when you lose a personalized, it means you have lost less control over the type of ads you see. So personalized ads also help you, like news publications, and keep their content and service free. Note: your advertising ad will be deleted, but apps may have their own setting which can also affect a type of ads you see. You can always get a new advertising ads. Okay, delete it. All right, so you have already deleted the advertising ad and you have fixed these two settings off. So there is it. By making that, I make sure you will protect your phone, your Android, from any pop-up ads on your device. So God bless you. Bye bye.